Transferscope is an AI-powered handheld device that bridges the physical and digital realms, inviting users to reimagine and transform their surroundings with unprecedented ease and creativity. This tool empowers individuals to capture textures, patterns, and concepts from real-world objects and seamlessly apply them onto other surfaces, bending the fabric of our perceived reality. At its heart, Transferscope embodies the intersection of technology as a tool and technology as a collaborator. It invites users to actively question and reshape their world, blurring the lines between artificial and organic in surprising and thought-provoking ways. Step 1. Sample style. Step 2. Sample shape. And transfer. On the server, a generative AI pipeline containing a multimodal large language model for prompt sampling and control net, IP adapter, and stable diffusion for image generation is used to merge the sampled aesthetic with the target shape. The result is then sent back to the device. The project offers a subtle perspective on the role of data in artistic creation and invites users to critically reflect the aesthetic character of state-of-the-art image generation models, emphasizing the importance of diversity in data sources to train them. Moreover, viewers are challenged to consider the origins of images, their manipulation, and how synthetic aesthetics reshape our understanding of authenticity and originality in visual media. Transferscope. Sample anything, transform everything.